Are you tired of distractions? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones offer the best noise cancellation, period. Imagine silencing airplane engines, bustling cafes, or noisy commutes with a simple tap, creating your personal audio sanctuary. Plus, with an incredible 30-hour battery life, these premium headphones keep the music flowing all day and night without interruption. If you're looking to buy top-tier audio, check the Amazon link in the description for current pricing. And the seamless multi-point connection lets you effortlessly switch from your laptop to your phone without missing a beat or fumbling with settings. This isn't just a gadget, it's your personal oasis, designed for ultimate focus and immersive sound quality in any environment. Seriously, if you want to upgrade your listening experience, these are the noise-canceling headphones to own in 2025. For travelers, students, or anyone seeking pure audio bliss, the XM5s are an absolute game changer. Find your perfect pair and transform your sound today. Link below.